Hi beauties, welcome to those who are new and welcome back to returning viewers and subscribers. It's your girl Fabulously Nappy and I got another video here for you guys. So today we're doing men's braid. I'm a client booked for shampoo, blow dry and braiding services. So I did the shampoo already. I didn't record that part. So after the shampoo, we just left the bowl and came over to the styling area where I moisturized his hair. We don't do no dry hair here, so I moisturized his hair using some leave-in conditioner, used some oil to seal it in, and then I went ahead and sprayed some heat protectant because we don't want to destroy no client's hair. Okay, yeah, so use some heat protectant, and then I went ahead to blow dry. I blow dried the whole hair. My client was so surprised that his hair was grown. Like, he knew his hair was grown, but when I did the blow dry and he saw like the full length of the hair all around, he was so surprised and he was so happy. Like, he was like, okay, we're gonna do something more classy next time, but maybe not necessarily more classy, but just not so simple. Yeah, so after blow drying, I went ahead and took out the twist, combed out the hair, and this is what we're working with today. Yes, so I went ahead to start the braiding. He didn't want anything too extra, or no, he didn't want anything like complicated or anything. He just wanted straight backs, simple straight back braids, and with some two little ones, like one on each side. So I went ahead and started braiding. The first one I did on this side, it wasn't so nice or so clean, so I did the next two, then I came back and redid it. That's me doing it there, and it was looking much better. I went ahead and did the other side off camera, and then I joined all the braids in a little bun in the back and used the rubber band to hold it in place. Then I brushed around the hair just to get it all nice and clean. He was doing some videos to post on Snapchat. So I went ahead and did that, grabbed my scalp oil to oil his scalp because nobody leaves NBLX's chair with some dry scalp, okay? Yes. So I did that, put some oil on the scalp, rubbed it in, massage it all around, all the good stuff. And then came the moves. Guys, listen to this. Ooh. Okay, so he liked the mousse so much. Like, when I put it on, he was like, ooh, like, it felt so nice. And even when I was rubbing it, like spreading it all around, putting it into the hair, he was like, that feels nice. I was like, yeah, I know, because my clients be loving this part. Okay, like, who doesn't like mousse on their hair? It feels so satisfying. Okay, if you haven't ever had one, you should definitely book an appointment with NBLX because we pamper over here. So next, I just tied down my scarf, just to set down any flyaways, and then I used a dryer to dry it up. When I took it off, he was so surprised. He was so happy that this was his reaction. Okay guys, like I had said earlier, this guy was so funny, like so funny. So I finished and sprayed some sheen spray all around, wiped off the excess oil on his face, then brushed around the corners of his hair. I think the next day he did get a haircut, but then he forgot to send me pictures, so I couldn't insert any in this video. But yes, that's it for this look. Here's the final result. He was so happy, so satisfied. He said he was gonna come back every 2 weeks for a new style. So we have another video loading. Thank you for watching this one, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.